Hey everybody, Dr. Jason here to teach you how to use your Theragun to treat your calves. Whether you enjoy hiking with your dog every morning or your job requires you to go up and down stairs all day long, your calves can become stiff, sore, and carry tension. The Theragun is an amazing device to help you find relief, increase mobility, and get the most out of your body. So here's what we're gonna do. Step 1, pick your attachment. I like the standard ball for the calves since it's a little firmer than the dampener, but you can choose whichever one you like for this particular treatment. Remember, attachments allow us to personalize the usage for our own needs. If you have a Pro, you can adjust the arm angle to meet your need, but our ergonomic Theragun triangle design makes it easy to use almost anywhere on your body. Step 2, turn on your Theragun by holding down the power button, then set the treatment speed. Remember to always turn it on before applying it to your body. Now, determine which grip will feel the most natural for you to use while you're treating your calves. I recommend the base grip because it allows you the furthest range in applying the Theragun while standing. Step 3, now for the fun part, using your Theragun. If you're using your Theragun to activate or warm up your calves, we recommend the following protocol. You'll apply the Theragun for 30 seconds total in 10-second increments, starting with the origin of your muscle, back and forth across the muscle fibers, then the insertion of your muscle, back and forth across the muscle fibers, and finally, you'll want to go back and forth for 10 seconds along the muscle fibers from end to end. If you're using your Theragun to recover or relax your calves, we recommend using it all over your muscle, back and forth, side to side for 2 minutes total. This is going to maximize your performance during your activity the next time out. Remember, we want your Theragun to feel like an extension of your hand, so explore all the speed, attachment, and grip combinations to find the one that's right for you.